Hello dear Aquarians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I am Vaishali and today I am going to read your cards for the month of June 2021. So before I begin my reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. I hope all Aquarians are safe and doing good in this pandemic time. Dear spirits and guides, angels, please guide Aquarians for the month of June, oh God, 2021. So I'm going to take out 3 cards. One, nice, Hanged Man, okay, and then we have, oh, okay, King of Pentacles. All right, so So Aquarians, what we have here is 10 of Pentacles, sorry, 10 of Cups, and then we have Hanged Man, then we have 8 of Swords here. So while I was shuffling these cards, Aquarians, I was also getting a vibe that you are going through some kind of restlessness or sleepless nights. There is some anxiety or there are some worry, there are some few things that are that are not allowing you to have a proper sleep also. So this kind of vibes I was getting when I was doing when I was shuffling my cards. I don't know why, but I just thought I should mention this here again. And then we have looking through these cards, what I'm seeing is here, this is where the June month is going to be, most of the things are like a family time, and yeah, a kind of there may be a reunion happening with your spouse, or if you are a single, if you are a single Aquarian, then there is a possibility of a family outing also, a family get together happening. Even for someone who are separated, there can be a reunion happening, or you may be meeting someone else with a like-minded person whom you want to date, or yeah, and mostly I am seeing a family get together, a family occasion, a celebration, small or big, whatever, a kind of a celebration happening this month, or a planning for a celebration this month. You see, where you expect everyone to unite and have a good time. Okay, so this is what is where I'm seeing, this may be the in the beginning only, in the first mostly in the first week of June, or till 10th it can be like that. So this is what I'm seeing here, dear Aquarians. Yeah, and then we have Hanged Man also, which is pointing out that many things will not be moving as planned. Okay, or may not be moving also. You find yourself stuck up with different things. You find yourself not happening, I mean, things are not moving as you are as you desire, or as you are expecting. No Though there is not negative thing, I mean, there is not a negative result of or there is no issues arising out of any situation, but you may see that there is a lag. You may experience, you may find that, yeah, though you are putting all your efforts, now the throughout the day you have made something, you have struggled something to happen, but still you find yourself in the same position again, and you are not able to find yourself out of that problem. Okay, so this is like you find yourself stuck up again. So Aquarians, I request you to have some patience here, because this is just a phase, and this may be, you will find that out in few days, then slowly the things will also start moving properly. And yeah, definitely you will have a good time. I mean, you will find, you will see to it that things are getting accomplished also. So just have some patience and just relax, just keep on giving your efforts, best efforts, that's it. Don't worry about it. At the same time, we have eight of swords also, and this is pointing me out that yeah, it's a completely where you feel you're stuck up again. And or is it that you are if when you are stuck up and you want to, you are trying to do something with someone else help, this is okay, but don't try to depend on someone. Don't just blindly believe on someone and go with their suggestions, or go with whatever they yeah, whatever they suggest you. Okay, so here I'm seeing that yes, the energies or the possibilities are, you may find yourself stuck up, or you may find yourself over dependent on someone, which may not allow you to have a proper understanding of the situation again. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. More than, it's better to have a lag than to have than to have it's better to have get the things delayed, instead of no instead of feeling stuck up, instead of feeling dependent on someone else, right? So take your time. I mean, yeah, give time to your to give time to universe also, so that don't try to push things very hard, because this is the phase where you may find delays happening, but over a period of time you feel you will definitely realize that this was for good, and this was just a phase and which has happened for your good, and then you will be able to move towards accomplishment also. Yeah, this is what exactly I'm feeling with these cards here, dear Aquarians. Okay, so I'll take out another card. I'll read a message from the universe now. Okay, so universe, please guide Aquarians for the month of June 2021. Please guide Aquarians for the month of June 2021. So here comes the message for you, dear Aquarians. Wow. So the message is, I am the loving energy of the universe. What a wonderful and peaceful message it is. So just follow this. Just remember this message, dear Aquarians, if you find yourself stuck up here. Okay, and don't lose your hope. Nothing, that I am very sure that next month is going to be really wonderful for you. In fact, this month is more of learning. Okay, so don't disappoint yourself, dear Aquarians. Okay, yeah, so I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, I wish you good luck. Take care. Bye bye.